You can now create operations that rough complex interior surfaces typically found in manifolds and cylinder head ports. Previously, you could create only finishing operations. The tube rough option is new. Tube roughing operations may use ball mill or spherical mill tools. The end of the central curve you select determines the start point of the tool path. The machining region and drive settings parameters are set by default to the most frequently used options. When sides is set to both, the tool path cuts to the specified range depth from each end of the port. When set to entry or exit, the tool path will cut to the specified range depth from one end or the other. Tube roughing operations may use adaptive milling or follow-part cut patterns. The tube roughing operation can now be followed by a finishing operation. The finishing operation uses the IPW from the roughing operation.